everyone, my name is Satya and I am here to help you to prepare for your IELTS exam. This is my first video and in this channel I will be making videos which contains effective tips and techniques to crack your IELTS exam. And today let's start with introduction to IELTS. Without any delay, let's get started. Yes, so let's start with the full form of IELTS. IELTS. So it stands for International English Language Testing System. So then what is the main purpose of this IELTS examination? Let's see. So this IELTS is developed to provide a fair and accurate assessment of English language proficiency. So simply, they want to test whether you can survive in an environment where English is the primary language. In IELTS, there are two forms. One is academic, other one is general. So if you want to study in abroad, then you need to take academic training. Or if you want to work in abroad, you need to choose general training. మీరు వర్క్ పర్పస్ కోసం వెళ్ళాలి అబ్రాడ్ అనుకుంటే కనుక మీరు జనరల్ ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకోవాలి. లేదు స్టడీ పర్పస్ కోసం వెళ్ళాలి అబ్రాడ్ అనుకుంటే కనుక అకాడమిక్ టెస్ట్ తీసుకోవాలి. అండ్ whether you take academic or general, modules are same. Overall, there are 4 modules in IELTS: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The listening and speaking modules are exactly same for both academic and general, but reading and writing modules are different. In listening and speaking modules అయితే academic అయినా సరే general అయినా సరే సేమ్ ఉంటాయి. But reading and writing modules ఒకటి different గా ఉంటుంది. Okay then. So let's start with the first module, listening. You have to remember this order because you are going to take your examination in the same order. Listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Okay then. So let's start with the first module, listening. In IELTS listening test, you would have to listen to your few audio recordings played by the examiner and answer the series of questions given below. అంటే మీకు ఒక సిరీస్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్ బుక్లెట్ ఇస్తారు. దాంతో పాటుగా పేపర్ బేస్డ్ అయితే ఒక OMR షీట్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. ఇచ్చిన ఆడియో ఫైల్ విని ఆ సిరీస్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ 1, 2, 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, అట్లా 40 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. అన్నీ ఆన్సర్ చేసి ఆ తర్వాత కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత 10 minutes ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడు మీరు OMR షీట్లో ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయొచ్చు. And in this listening module, audio recordings will be in the form of monologues or conversations between 2 or more people. And as I said, duration of IELTS listening test is 30 minutes. For a paper based, you will be given an extra 10 minutes to transfer your answers to your answer sheet. Overall, there are 4 parts and each part has 10 questions. So there are 40 questions in total. Each question carries 1 mark. So listening test is for 40 marks. So మీకు ఇంకా ఒక ఐడియా కోసం ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం. See here, you can see example. This is called sentence completion. Read the question carefully. Studying with the Open University demanded a great deal of dash. Demanded a great deal of dash. So audio file play చేస్తాను. Audio విని ఆ ఆన్సర్ ఏంటో చూడండి. Let's see.
The other thing I wanted to ask you was, did you find it hard studying with the Open University?
You mean because you're studying on your own most of the time? Well, it took me a while to get used to it. I found I needed to maintain a high level of motivation because it's so different from school. There's no one saying, "Why haven't you written your assignment yet?" and that sort of...
Yes. Here the answer is motivation, right? So here in this question, you can see demanded a great deal of. And in the audio file, she said, I need to maintain a high level of motivation. Great deal of, high level of. Answer is motivation. In this way, you have to answer all the 40 questions. And after completion of that, you can transfer your answers to your answer sheet. అదే కంప్యూటర్ బేస్ తీసుకుంటే కనుక ఇలా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ టైం ఉండదు. ఓవరాల్గా మీకు 32 minutes ఉంటుంది. 2 minutes, extra 2 minutes to check your answers. That's it. So let's move on to the next module. It is reading. Reading is your second module. The IELTS reading module comprises of 3 sections, for which you will get a total of 60 minutes to complete, and each section consists of 13 to 14 questions. Overall, reading test has 40 questions, with each question carrying 1 mark. As I said before, reading test is different for academic and general. Academic వాళ్ళకి general వాళ్ళకి different ఉంటుంది అని చెప్పాను కదా. See here, academic general. Duration is same and there are 3 sections for both academic and general. But here you can see academic. In academic, all the 3 sections consist of one long test, one long passage. Whereas general, in general, section 1 consists of 2 or 3 short passages, section 2 consists of 2 passages, and section 3 consists of one long passage. అంటే passages లో మాత్రమే డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది, బట్ డ్యూరేషన్ కానీ ఇచ్చిన సెక్షన్స్ కానీ ప్రతిదీ అండ్ టాస్క్ టైప్స్ కానీ సేమ్ ఉంటాయి. ఇది ఒకటే డిఫరెన్స్, ప్యాసేజెస్లో డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది. లెట్స్ సీ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. సో హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ అ ప్యాసేజ్ and a question. The task type is sentence completion. So now read the question carefully and try to answer this question. So ichina question lo keywords enti Huxley and dinosaur. Now you have to search for the keywords in the passage. So second paragraph, second line, Huxley and dinosaur. Yes, the question is, Huxley formulated his theory while studying a dinosaur belonging to a group called. In the passage, you can see dinosaur belonging to the classification known as theropods. So theropods is your answer. In this way, you have to read the passage and answer the given question. This is the format. So let's discuss the third module, writing. In writing, there are 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2. So you will be given an hour to complete the whole writing test. It is advisable to spend 20 minutes for task 1 and 40 minutes for task 2. The minimum word limit for writing task 1 is 150 and task 2 is 250. Task 1 minimum word limit 150, task 2 కేమో మీకు 250 words రాయాలి. డ్యూరేషన్ వచ్చి 60 minutes ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఆ 60 minutesని మీరు ఇట్లా స్పెండ్ చేయాలి. 20 minutes for task 1 and 40 minutes for task 2. So task 1, it is completely different for academic and general. So see here, general. In general training, you will be asked to write a letter on a topic. The minimum word limit is 150 and you have to complete this within 20 minutes. లెటర్ రైటింగ్ వస్తుంది జనరల్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి అయితే. డ్యూరేషన్ కానీ వర్డ్ లిమిట్ కానీ జనరల్కి అకాడమిక్కి సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. నా academic task 1, you will be presented with a graph, table, chart or diagram, or pictorial representation ఉంటుంది. And you will be asked to describe, summarize or explain the information in your own words. ఒక pictorial representation ఇస్తారు, దాన్ని మీ ఓన్ వర్డ్స్లో రాయాలి, ఒక రిపోర్ట్ రాయాలి. For example, this is report writing sample and you have to convert this pictorial representation into words. ఇచ్చిన పిక్చర్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, బార్ గ్రాఫ్ అండ్ లైన్ గ్రాఫ్, దీనిని మీరు ఓన్ వర్డ్స్లో రాయాలి. ఆ ఇచ్చిన పిక్చర్ని మనం ఓన్ వర్డ్స్లో రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ రిపోర్ట్ రైటింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ టాస్క్ 2. Task 2 is same for both academic and general. And in task 2, you will be asked to write an essay on a topic which will be given by the examiner, and duration is 40 minutes and the minimum word limit is 250 words. ఇది academic కి general కి సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓవరాల్ గా ఒక క్వశ్చన్, ఒక టాపిక్ ఇస్తారు, దాని మీద మీరు ఒక ఎస్సే రాయాలి. And you have to spend 40 minutes for this and the minimum word limit is 250. So this is all about writing. And finally, the last module is speaking. Yes, this is your last module, and this module consists of 3 parts: part 1, part 2, and part 3. And this speaking involves, it's a conversation of around 15 minutes with the examiner. It's like an interview. Your examiner will ask few questions and you have to answer to the particular questions. Okay, so part 1, part 2, part 3. Part 1 is called introduction, part 2 is called cue card, and part 3 is called discussion part. In this part 1, you will be asked questions based on general theme, like about your hometown, family, friends, etc. In part 2, the examiner will give you a task card based on which you will be asked to talk about a particular topic. You can prepare for 1 minute and have to speak for about 2 minutes. ఒక టాపిక్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు, ఆ టాపిక్ మీద ఒక 1 minute ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి కంటిన్యూస్గా 2 minutes వరకు మాట్లాడాల్సి వస్తుంది క్యూ కార్డ్లో. ఫైనల్గా పార్ట్ 3. Part 3 is called discussion part, and in this part you will be asked further questions about cue card topic. Cue card topic ఏదైతే ఉందో దాని మీద ఫర్దర్గా క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతారు. అదే డిస్కషన్ పార్ట్.
This is the structure of IELTS exam, and I hope you find this video useful. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Please stay safe. Thank you.